Yo, Wagwan. Welcome to Fort Green. Yes, this is what we do in Fort Green. Dominoes. J-Wagon, come here. On to this umbrella, man. Get out of the road, man. So what's up, YouTube? A day in my life. Oh yeah. You know, taco truck over there today. See a bicycle, a motorcycle across the street a while ago, bro. Look, I had to wait till the people pass because you can't just point when people walking. They're going to think you pointing at them, right? But anyway, that motorcycle over there look crazy. What's it? Cafe Racer? Yeah, but that right there. Let's get closer and see. Well, let's see. The traffic would move up. So we can get a view. This amazing cycle. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's sick. That's crazy. Oh, perfect. I need to go to the bank. Huh. I need to go to the bank. That's it. Gotta do a little business up in there, right? Gotta go to the bank. Just a regular day in the life, YouTube. These bills gotta get paid, right? So I just do it, my money. Should actually leave that in my pocket and put this in the bank. Ain't that how you do it? Put my 4-way on. Oh, you ain't got no mask on, I don't care. Let's go. Yeah. This is up. Yeah. Deposit. People just reading the paper. It's like next to impossible to put the money in this thing. Wow. Right now. So we're over there.
I'm not even trying to put that in the universe first, but you know I'm out of here on Sunday.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Oh, really? Oh, you know, I have no idea. I don't know.
Yeah. No, we good. We're about to go take on this live street over here. Yeah, I see you long. Yeah, don't see me. In the streets. Yeah, that's all. That's what's up. Let me close the door. I got more money in the account than what I thought. Ain't that something? You ever seen your receipt and you like, huh? I thought I had no money. Somebody ain't collect their bill yet, I guess so, because I don't know I got so much money. You know? I don't know. But I really don't know. Let's see. See right now, I'm about to turn up here, man. We got another bank right here. But I don't do that bank right there. I'm a chase type of dude, you know. Should I try a Citibank? I never had a Citibank account. You know what happened? Next week, I should join a Citibank account. Kids. I need an account over by Citibank, right? Might as well, bro. Might as well. Wells Fargo. Huh. All types of stuff. There's a Hellcat pulling up down there. Wagwan. Yeah, Wagwan on no. See up on the avenue. When I get on the avenue, I link on the back again. Blah! We're there, man. We're there. We're there. So an old building over there, so. All your fuck. Look there. Yeah, man. We're there, man. Yeah. Project life, baby. Project life.